Alright, good morning mga Katimbol Vlogs. Welcome sa isang namang video bus check. Ngayong araw to, May 27, 2024, Monday, 7:20 in the morning here at Kilburnie, Wellington, New Zealand. So, come on, let's check yung gagamitin ng bus niya si 5703 with registration plate number NQD 104, which will expire on July 14, 2024. So come on guys, let's check this out. But first, nako, ayaw umangat to. Oh my goodness, what do we do? Wait lang mga Katimbulag. Yun. School sign. So check na natin guys yung mga tama nito kung nasaan. Yan, damage, adjusters, all good. All good, good. And damage, that's also damage. That's number 5703. And all good. This one also damage. Okay, alright. Let's put up the school sign first, because we're doing a school sign again. And that goes for the back part. And this one, okay, damage, all damages, but not severe damages, just minor damages. And medyo malambot-lambot ng konti ang kanyang all good. Medyo marumi, hindi pa nila na washing mga Katimbol Vlogs. So, check natin yung mga upuan kung may mga damage na pwedeng ma-incur or which can injure a passenger. So let's check it out. Yan, may nagtatagong mumu. So far wala pa naman. All good. Alright, all clean and tight. So let's go Timbol Vlogs. Until next video bus vlog. Paalam.